How to create Snapchat account? Just go to your Play Store or App Store, then search here just Snapchat. You can see here Snapchat, just download and just wait few seconds. It's downloading and tap on open. I'm going to create new account, so just tap on sign up. Here you can allow or don't allow for notification. I'm going to just touch on allow. Just tap on allow. Just type your first name here. If you want, you can type your last name here. It's optional. Then tap on agree and continue. Select your birthday here. Then tap on continue. Then tap on continue. Then set your password here. Your password should be at least 8 characters and tap on continue. Then type your email here. If you want to use your phone number, just tap on use my phone number here. Then you can enter your phone number. Then tap on finish. Then you will get the code, just enter here. Then tap on continue. Then you can add friends from here. Then tap on continue. Account is created. Thank you for watching.